Welcome to Yamamoto North America. I'd like to introduce you to a unique line of industrial and commercial washers. Before we talk about the machines, I want to tell you about the Yamamoto Manufacturing Company. Yamamoto is based in Hiroshima, Japan, and has been building laundry machinery for 70 years. The company is family-owned and managed and is focused on building extremely high-quality, durable laundry equipment for use in hotel laundries, healthcare facilities, sports facilities, and industrial laundries. Yamamoto prides itself on building equipment that outlasts and outperforms its competitors while providing a very competitive price. Over the last several years, other laundry equipment manufacturers have cut costs and reduced the life expectancy of their washers. This results in machines that need major repairs or replacement in as little as 3 years. At the same time, Yamamoto has adhered to stringent Japanese standards and invested millions of dollars to not only control costs, but to improve the durability of their machines, resulting in washers that last over 25 years with minimal service necessary. Yamamoto provides equipment, parts, and technical support to the U.S., Canada, and Mexico through Yamamoto North America, based in Bloomington, Illinois, and their extensive group of distributors located regionally throughout North America. Yamamoto washers are available in sizes from 30 pounds to 275 pounds. All washers feature 100 fully custom wash cycles that are easy to program. All machines are built with a heavy-duty suspension system that requires no special floor reinforcement. No tools required to clean the lifetime main drain valve, triple sealed, self-lubricating main bearing assembly, and much more. To learn why this may be the last washer you ever have to buy, contact Yamamoto North America.